In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get full view mode in TradingView 2025. If you're like many traders and analysts who use TradingView for its robust charting capabilities, you know that having a full screen mode can be incredibly helpful. It allows you to see more data at once, giving you a clearer, more comprehensive picture of market trends and analytics. So, whether you're monitoring multiple indicators or just prefer to have everything on a larger scale, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to get the most out of your TradingView experience. First, you'll want to start by going to the chart you wish to expand. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView's website. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, head straight to the chart section. This is the heart of TradingView and where you'll find all the tools and data visualization features that the platform is known for. You can find the chart page by selecting the appropriate option in the main navigation bar at the top of the website, or if you have a specific chart in mind, use the search bar to locate it directly. Once you're on the chart you want, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the chart interface. Here you should see an icon that looks like an outward facing set of arrows which represents full screen mode. By clicking on this icon, you'll enable full screen mode. This feature allows you to immerse yourself fully into the chart, removing distractions from the surrounding interface and giving you a larger area to examine the chart's intricacies. Now, with full screen mode activated, you have the entire canvas to conduct your analysis. Whether you're looking to study complex patterns, test hypotheses, or simply enjoy a broader view of the market data, full screen mode offers an uncluttered approach to viewing your selected chart. Remember, you can interact with the chart just as you normally would. You still have access to all your drawing tools, indicators, and settings, so feel free to continue your usual workflow. Should you wish to exit full screen mode, you can simply click the same icon again, which will return you to the standard view with all menus and controls visible. This toggle feature between full screen and normal views offers you great flexibility, allowing you to maximize your screen real estate depending on your immediate needs. By following these steps, you should now have a clear understanding of how to utilize full view mode in TradingView 2025 to enhance your trading experience. With the ability to expand your charts to full screen, you're better equipped to make informed decisions based on the detailed visual data at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you use TradingView more effectively.